Hello friends, today I'll be reviewing this Water Fit lip tint from the brand The Face Shop. This has been my all-time favorite brand and I've spoken about it in my previous videos. But so I thought of trying this lip tint, and since I always thought that a lip tint gives a natural color to your lips and cheeks, I thought it is way better than lipstick. So I ordered it from Nykaa and thought of giving it a try. This is in the shade rose pink. Okay, and they retail for 499 rupees, which is almost 500 rupees, for a net volume of 5 gram. So I think that is quite a decent quantity, and also it will last you very long. So the quantity is very nice, and the packaging, firstly I want to speak about the packaging. I love the packaging, guys. The you know the pack the bottle is so sturdy, like you won't, it is a glass bottle. So if you see, it opens up like this, and you have a doff applicator, which is quite convenient to apply on the lips. But the thing which I don't like about this lip tint is that it is quite pigmented, like it is pigmented to the max. So once you touch it on your lips or your cheeks, you'll have to smudge it quickly, like within a fraction of seconds. So I'll just show you how I tend to use it. And this is also quite travel friendly, you can take it wherever you want. So let me just show you how it feels or looks on the lips. So if you see, now if I wait, then it will form a spot, so I'll have to smudge it quickly, as quickly as possible, or else it will form a spot on your skin. So you'll have to smudge it off quickly, and it will give you a natural flush of color. If you see, it won't feel fake or anything. It will feel very natural, and will give you a bright pink, very natural cherry lip kind of a look. And you can also do a gradient look with it. So I think the shade in itself is quite pretty and very pretty. This looks like a tinted lip balm at times. So whenever I am out for like small meet and greet or small stroll around my home or with my family, then I tend to apply this, and it will give you a very healthy looking skin. So like the Korean skincare, so you can get that look. And this shade, I think, will suit most of the Indian girls, because I'm brown myself and this suits me perfectly. So what I usually do is that I usually apply it over a lip balm, because it tends to dry my lips a bit. So that is like the actual demerit or the consequence of this lip tint, which I found, is that it is quite drying on the lips, and it tends to get on my cracks of the lips. So I'll have to be very cautious, and it also makes my lips quite pigmented. Like my upper lip is big dry, a bit darker than the lower lip. Like most Indian girls face that problem, right? We have pigmented lips. So my upper lip is bit darker than the lower lip, and this tends to enhance that thing. Also gets into the cracks since it is liquid, but the consistency is not very watery. If I show it to you again, it is not very watery. Like it is uh, quite thicker than a water. So but it smudges beautifully, and it will give you very healthy looking finish. But I think that you'll face some problem removing it also, because it tends to tint your lip very instantly, and has a very intense that opacity. So you'll have to be careful about that. So if I show you how it feels on a lip balm, then I'll just show you. This is a I usually use it over a tinted lip balm. So here I'm showing you how it looks on a tinted lip balm. I will just apply it over a lip balm, and I'll recommend you guys, if you guys buy it, then please apply it over a lip balm, because it will dry out your lips gradually. So you don't want dried or chapped lips, then please do so. If you apply it over a lip balm, then you can see that it will give a very healthier, and it will feel healthier and shinier than the first apply. So if you can see the difference, that the first one is dried out completely and looks very fake, wherein this one looks very natural and glowy. It will give you a glow, it will make your skin look very healthy and your face will glow instantly. So do apply it over a tinted lip balm if possible, or over a normal lip balm, and you can get this glow. So it does give a healthy glow, but then again it has some negative points, which are that it dries out instantly and you have to be very cautious while smudging it. Or otherwise I love this product, but I don't use it very often because of that drying thing, and I'm very cautious of what I apply on my skin. So I think since it gets into the cracks of my lips, I think this might be harmful for my lips. So I generally tend to apply a normal lipstick instead of applying this. So if you're someone who gets cautious of your chapped lips or dry lips, then I think you should avoid using a lip tint. You should apply a moisturized lipstick instead. This claims to be moisturizing enough, but trust me guys, this is not moisturizing enough for your lips. But overall the shade is quite beautiful, and it will definitely give you a healthy skin. And you can apply definitely on your cheeks to give that flush of red color, but or pink color. So that I think that was it for the review of this tint, and if you want to give it a try, then you can check the link down below. And please, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.